Hi, it's Justin Costello coming to you from your Boston Whaler Superstore, Marinemax, Pompano Beach, showing you a brand new fish team boat. It's our Boston Whaler 330 Outrage, twin V8 300s, underwater lights, gyroscopic Seakeeper stabilizer. Let's take a brief walk through here. We got the prep center here with plenty of tackle storage, tons of cockpit space to reel in that fish. Nice prep center here, bait station, plenty of drawer, tackle, storage, in-floor, huge fish boxes here, port and starboard. Nice dive door if you like to snorkel, spearfish, pulling a big catch. Perfect right there. This boat's gonna get totally retrofitted. All kinds of electronics packages. We'll do another video once those come in from Ray Marine. We also got the Seakeeper, like I said, the bow table with filler pads. So this turns into a big sunbed right here. Nice garage locker. Really great SUV of the water. Great for doing everything. Safe, reliable. Justin Costello, Marinemax, Pompano. Let me give you a little walkthrough tour of the outside. You can give me a call anytime, 954-633-2070 to get you aboard this boat. It's going to be here. Going to get wrapped and do our fish team logo on it. Again, Justin Costello, Marinemax, Pompano, 2021 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage.